Welcome to the tutorial of expanding or resolving brackets. Let's start. So first we have positive 5 and positive 6, positive 8 in the bracket. So the first term will be positive 5 times positive 6 and positive 5 times positive 8 is equals to positive 30 and positive 40. And we have positive 70. 2 positive 5 bracket x plus 8. So positive 5 times plus x will be positive 5x and positive 5 times positive 8 will be positive 40. So we have 5x plus 40. Number 3 plus x bracket plus x plus 8. Okay. So the first term will be plus x times plus x will be still a plus, and it will be x squared. So plus x squared plus is omitted, and plus x times positive 8 is 8x plus or positive. So like this. Okay. Number 4. Negative 10 times 10 will be the first term. And negative 7 times positive 5 will be the second term. So second term is negative 7 times positive 5. And we have negative 17 minus 35 or plus negative 35. So we have negative 105. Okay. And number 5. Negative 7 times x plus 5. So we have negative 7 times plus x with negative 7x. Negative plus give a negative, like here. So this negative or positive can be also regarded as plus or minus. Second term will be negative 7 times positive 5 and negative 7 times positive 5. So we have negative 7x plus negative 35, so negative 35. Number 6, negative x plus x. Actually, this is minus x plus x. So we have minus in the first term. 2x multiplied together with x squared. Okay. And second term minus x times 5 positive. So we have negative x squared and negative 5x. So we have negative x squared minus 5x. Number 7, first term positive 9 times positive 4. So, and second term positive 9 times negative 5. So 9 times negative 5. Okay. So I can also include the positive here. Is equals to positive 36, and in this mid bracket we have negative 45. So negative 45. The answer will be, so this is for negative 9. Okay. So next 8. First term, positive 9 plus x times together. So 9x. Then second term, and second term is positive 9 times negative 5. So is positive 9 times negative 5. First term 9x, second term negative 45. Then say would be 9x minus 45. No. Plus x times plus x for the first term. Still plus x squared and plus x times negative 5 with x squared and what's in the mid bracket, negative 5 times plus x. So negative 5x. Then we have x squared minus 5x. Okay. Then negative 6 bracket positive 7 minus 1. So the first term, negative 6 times positive 7. So what if I put bracket in the first term too? It's okay. So times positive 7, this small bracket, and negative 6 times negative 1. So okay. So to the first term, do not put bracket, it will be quite clumsy. I just want to show you everything if possible. So the first term will be negative 42. Negative 6 times positive 7 will give us negative 42. And second term, negative 6 times negative 1. That will be positive 6. And we have negative 36. Okay. Number 11. First term, negative 6 times plus x. So negative 6x. Second term, and negative 6 times negative 1. Where terms always include a sign. So negative 6 times negative 1. We have negative 6x. In the mid bracket, we have negative 6 times negative 1, that will be positive 6. So we have negative 6x plus 6. The 12 is equals to minus x times plus x will be negative x squared, or minus x squared. Second term, and negative x times negative 1. Okay. With negative x squared, and so minus x times negative 1 gives us plus x. So, and we have negative x squared plus x. Okay. And 8. First term, positive 8 times negative 2. We'll have negative 16. Second term, and positive 8 times positive 3. So we have negative 16, and in the bracket we have positive 24. This will be an 8. 14. So we have positive 8 minus x multiplied together in the first term. They will give us negative 8x or minus 8x. And second term, positive 8 times positive 3. In the small bracket, we have positive 24. So okay. Number 15. Plus x times minus x for the first term. So we have minus x squared for the first term, and positive plus x times positive 3 negative x squared. In the small bracket we have 3x. So, okay. By the way, for all these questions we have noticed the first two columns are related. We can easily find what x is. Here x is 7, here x is 2, here x is 4. Number 16. First term, negative 1 times negative 11. We'll have positive 11. Or we can write display everything. So negative 1 times negative 11, first term. And the second term, negative 1 times positive 4. So negative 1, this is a 1. Negative 1 times positive 4. First term will be positive 11. And the second term will be negative 4. Negative 1 times positive 4 will be negative 4. This will be a positive 7. Okay. Number 17. First two terms multiply together. Negative 1 times minus x gives us plus x. Or just x. Same thing. Second term, and second term will be negative 1 times positive 4. So we have x plus negative 4 will be x minus 4. Okay. Number 18. plus x squared, first term, second term, and minus x times positive 4. That will give us x squared and negative 4x. So this will be x squared minus 4x. 19. So this will be the first term, positive 2 times negative 8 will be negative 16. Second term, positive 2 times negative 5. So times negative 5. Negative 16. And in the mid bracket, we have negative 10. So this will be negative 16 minus 10, which will be negative 26. Okay. 20. Positive 2 times minus x. We have minus 2x. And the second term will be positive 2 times negative 5. So we have negative 2x, and the second term negative 10. Okay. So which will be 2x minus 10. Number 21. This will be equal to minus x squared, and the second term plus x times negative 5. Should be minus x squared and minus 5x should be 22. First term, negative 3 times negative 4. So we have a positive 12. And the second term, negative 3 times negative 9. Remember, the terms always has a sign, whether omitted or not. So we equal to positive 12. In the mid bracket with negative 3 times negative 9, that gives us a positive number of 27. That will be 39. Number 23. First term, negative 3 times minus x. So this will be positive 3x. And second term, negative 3 times negative 9. 3x. And second term will be positive 27. It will be 3x plus 27. Number 24. Minus x times minus x. So let's show everything. Minus x times minus x for the first term, and the second term minus x times negative 9. Okay. First term will be a plus because we have 2 minus x multiplied together. 2x multiplied together will be x squared from in these. And the mid bracket negative minus x times negative 9 will be positive 9x. So x squared plus 9x. Okay. So from this expression, I'll do it like normally, without showing the extra steps or the we'll display all the steps. So this is equals to 20 minus 5y. Okay. 26. This is yx or xy plus y squared. So the first term is plus y times plus x. Second term is plus y times plus y. And this one, x squared minus xy. First term plus x times plus x. Second term plus x times minus y. We have minus xy. Okay. The plus sign here is omitted. So you see this also, but the plus does nothing, so it's omitted in the final answer. Number 28. So we can rearrange to make it easier to read. And 18 free ride. This one, okay, let's show everything again. This is xy, first term xy times y. Second term, and the second term plus xy times positive 7. So plus xy times positive 7. So this will be xy squared. Oh, by the way, xy means x times y, like here. Okay, and then plus, this is plus 7xy. So we have xy squared. So we can skip steps here. So we can from here, first term xy squared plus. Second term is plus 7xy. Okay. Number 30. So first term, x times 3 over 10. Second term, plus x times negative y. Okay. First term, 3x over 10. Second term, minus xy. So we have 3x over 10 minus xy. Okay. And that is his first tutorial. See you next week, next video.